Hi, I am Ekta, and in this series of nights and weekends, I am making. My goal was to document my journey of going from $0 to next $50,000 in the next 40 days. And to attain this goal, I decided to help businesses with customer acquisition, activation, and retention, which means I make money by helping businesses make money. I launched 4 different lines of businesses. The first was Outreach Jedi that help businesses with sales. Second is Pay-per-click Jedi that help businesses with PPC. Third is Analytics Automate that help businesses with analytics and business intelligence. And fourth is Bitrain that help businesses with revenue consultancy. In these 40 days, I managed to get $26,355 worth of business for us, and we got 7,400 website visitors, all from cold email. In the span of 40 days, I reached out to 50,000 different businesses and talked with hundreds of business owners and decision makers and dissected their businesses with them. I realized that balancing the act of revenue generation and creative projects is a tough cookie, especially when I'm working on my own in this project. But finally, neither did I manage to hit the final numbers, nor did I manage to launch the trailer of my documentary. So, is it a failure for me? Well, heck no. I managed to do way more work in these 40 days than I did in the last 7 years of my life after dropping the high schools. And I'm in the position to choose the project that I want to work upon. So for the next step, my goal is to scale all these 4 offers to $100,000 and to complete the series that I left in the mid. You can sign up on our website called ektagupta.com to get the first update once we launch our journey of scaling an offer from $0 to $100,000 in the 6 months.